This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today I'm organizing my soap room, and I have a new pegboard that was put up, and we purchased this locking peg hook assortment at Home Depot, and inside it comes with a whole bunch of different, it comes with spacers for putting the pegboard up, which we didn't use. It comes with different size hooks, straight hooks, single pegs, double pegs, and if you see this right here, it comes with these peg locks. So that's what I want to talk about right now, because I want to show you what these peg locks do. If you look up here, this one here, these two here have the peg locks on, and this one does not. So the peg lock keeps the peg, this thing, from sliding back and forth. Here's what it looks like right here. So it's a little black piece of plastic, and what you do, let's see if I can do this one-handed. You put it in the one side, and it actually, if you look from above, it has like a little thing that goes around and loops out, and then you have to poke it in this side, which is not especially easy. Let's see if we can do that. And we push and snaps it in, so it's not too bad. So there's one. I have another one down here to do, so you can get another view of it. So let's try doing it. We'll put it on the right side first. Get this that thing there going around, the little loop going around the hook. And then go to the other side, and you have to stretch and push. That didn't work. You gotta make sure you don't have wood behind it. My husband hooked this up with wood behind it, so hopefully I don't have a wood thing right there. Right, I'm pushing it in, and it snaps. Now the next question is how do you remove them? So the directions say to just take something that is flat. I'm using a spatula and pop it underneath one side. Let's see if I can look like so. And I did this a minute ago. It was fine. There we go. And you pop it up. Okay, same thing down here. You pop it out. So you kind of want to take it and slide it towards one side, and it pops out. And that is how you use the locking peg pieces of plastic, or the peg locks that come with the Everbuilt kit that you can get from Home Depot. I hope that's helpful for you. I am trying to get organized. So I hung my buckets up, hung my respirator up, spatula, and I've got other places that I'm organizing stuff. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, please write them down below. Have a great day.